How to change Roblox name tag color. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change your Roblox name tag color, firstly launch your Roblox application or head over to a preferred browser and search for roblox.com. Starting off, you need to launch a game that you want to play in your Roblox and where you want to change your name tag color. Wait until the game loads up. In your left hand side, you will see the chat layout and you can see that random username have it as a green and I have it as a red. However, this is not a setting that something is in our hand. Yes, the unknown user does not have on his hand to set it as green, nor do I have my ability to change my name tag color into red, as this is because Roblox randomly assigns you the Roblox name tag color. And this is not something that we can configure or pick out our favorite color to set it as our name tag color. Hopefully someday we will get the update where you'll be able to change our name color according to our preference. Until then, it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.